It is my pleasure to introduce Dr. Rakesh Bhatia from Shiksha Sanskriti Utthan Nyas, New Delhi. The title of his talk is Applications of Baudhayan Number in Trigonometry. Over to you, sir.
Okay. Thank you, madam, and I welcome to all you, and because you are doing a great job in this sense, and you are establishing the Indian knowledge system in the mathematics and sciences and all things. So today my topic is that in this series, that Baudhayan numbers and its application in trigonometry, right? So now, my first outlines of my lecture concept of Baudhayan numbers, history of Baudhayan numbers, and Baudhayan number of 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 degree, and like that Baudhayan numbers of angles, and Baudhayan number of sum of angles, right, and Baudhayan number of difference of angles. So we will discuss like that, formation of trigonometric identities, and generalization of Baudhayan numbers, application of Baudhayan numbers, application in height and distance, like that we will discuss something. And we know that Vedas are the storehouse of all knowledge needed by the mankind, and these are four Vedas are Rigved, Samved, Yajurved, and Atharved. These are the, and among these Vedas, Stapatya Ved of Atharved is the primary source of knowledge. Yes, of architecture, engineering, and general mathematics. So now, six Vedans also. Vedang, what are the Vedang? Vedang is a branch of knowledge that serves as an auxiliary discipline to support the proper understanding and interpretation and practice of Vedas. So it provides tools, methods such as pronunciation, grammar, meter, etymology, astronomy, and rituals. And six Vedas are Siksha, Chand, and Vyakran, Nirokta, and Jyotish, and Kalp. And in Kalpa Sutra is divided four into Srotra, Dharma, and Guhya Sutras. And the Salp Sutras are regarded as the part of Srotra Sutras. And Baudhayan and Apastamba around 800 BC gave a systematic accounts of Salp Sutras. And now we will discuss Baudhayan theorem, right? Baudhayan theorem is a sutra. Here is a slok. Dirgha Chatusya Sakshana Rajju Parshvani Tirakvani Yatra Pratak Bhote Kurutastubhyam Proti. One is sutra, and its meaning is this. Dirgha means rectangle, Sa means of this, Akshana means diagonal, Rajju means rope here, and Parshvani means measure of the base, and Tirkvani means measure of the perpendicular, and Yat Prathak Bhute means when taken separately, and Kruta means they produce, and Tat Ubhyam Proti means together they produce the same and is equal to the square on the diagonal. Now it is the Pythagoras theorem, so it is the same. And first we have provided Baudhayan about 300 years ago. Baudhayan mathematician have provided this: b square plus q square is equal to r square, right? Nowadays also NCERT has introduced in NCERT also, except Baudhayan Pythagoras theorem has written in his books, new books also, right? So it's now proved that Baudhayan and Pythagoras is added here also. Okay, now we will discuss about, as you see here, there are the two triangles here, right angle triangles here, and first one is P1, P1H1, and acute angle is alpha, and second is B2, P2S2, and angle is beta. Now, have you studied anywhere? These are the ratio B1, P1, S1 and B2, P2, S2. These are the ratios of the right angle triangles. And have you discussed anywhere if both the angles, both the angles alpha and beta are added, then what will be the impact on the sides of a triangle? Right. So it is now using the Baudhayan, we can conclude it, and if we are we are successful to do this, so we will able to create a lot of trigonometric identities ourselves. We need not cram anything, right? We will understand. Okay, so let us start and how the Sutra of Vedic mathematics, Baudhayan numbers. Sutra is the third sutra Urdu Tirigram. That's it will represent an alpha plus beta, alpha minus beta. And if you add acute angle alpha plus beta, and if you subtract angle alpha minus beta, what will be the impact on the side of right angle triangle? Now we will discuss, right? So now representation of Baudhayan numbers. How will represent now? Now first we will write angle, then we will write base, then perpendicular, then hypotenuse. In suppose if alpha is there and base is B1, perpendicular is B1, hypotenuse is S1. And similarly, if angle is beta and for the second triangle B2, B2, S2, we will write like this, right? We will represent and it will suppose now it is the Baudhayan number of, we will generalize it. Suppose it is a isosceles, yani two sides are equal. And what will be the Baudhayan number of this triangle? A, and A root 2, right? So if you remove the A, then what will we get? 1, 1 root 2, right? So 1, 1 root 2 are the now Baudhayan numbers because these are the ratios of this side, right? Now we will find the Baudhayan numbers of the angle 60. Yani if you know it is the equilateral triangle, and if we draw the perpendicular from the vertex above, and now x and x, it will be divided into two parts, and you know that here they are the two right angle triangles same, and what will be perpendicular from here? Perpendicular will be now root 3x, right? So now what will be the Baudhayan numbers here? Baudhayan numbers are now x, root 3x and 2x, right? And if we remove the x now, if we divide by x, so we will get now 1 root 3 2, right? These are the Baudhayan numbers, and using these Baudhayan numbers we will find out now next values also. We can show also like this. It's the Baudhayan number of 45 degree 1 1 root 2 and Baudhayan number of 30 degree also. We can calculate from this format root 3 1 and 2. And Baudhayan numbers of 60 degree, that's 1 root 3 2. It means that in 30 degree and 60 degree only base and perpendicular will be interchanged, right? So, but rest is the same. So now from here we can calculate also all the values of angles. Suppose you find out the sine 45. 45 means as you know the Baudhayan number of 1 1 root 2 from here. So it means sine means p by s, so 1 by root 2 here from here, and you can now formulate all the values scientifically. Yes, and cos 45 you can calculate, and tan 45 you can calculate from this Baudhayan number. Similarly, you can calculate sine 30, cos 30, tan 30. All the values can be calculated using this now. Now these are the basis where some general information regarding this Baudhayan numbers. Now we will apply the formula Urdu Tirabhyam, Vedic mathematics Sutra Urdu Tirabhyam. What is that? And what are the application? Application is that if you want to find the Baudhayan number of alpha plus beta, any if both the angles are added, both the acute angles are added, then what will be the impact on the ratio of their sides? Yes, this is the formula, and if you have in practice of this formula, that's the vertically and crosswise. what I have done here, I interpret here B1, I have write on first column, and B1 and P1 also in the second column, H1 third column, right? Similarly, B2, P2 first, and B2, P2 is again repeated here, and S2, right? Now, what is this? Now, alpha first column, vertically multiply is written here, and down B2, P1 minus P2, P1 is written here. What is it? It is the base. Yes, it is the base of a triangle whose angle is alpha plus beta. Yes, alpha plus beta. Yani, how will you get it? P2, P1, how will you get it? Is vertically multiplied, P1 and P2, right? And P2, P1 means it is also a vertically multiplied. Yes. So it is the base now. It is the base now, right? Now, what is the perpendicular? You will get it by using crosswise multiplication, right? Crosswise. So what will be that? You will get B2, P1 and P2 B1. It no need of cramming this formula, only write the sign of the crosswise and you will multiply by. And then again in last S1 and S2 vertically multiplied, and now these are the Baudhayan numbers of angle alpha plus beta. Yes, these are the Baudhayan numbers. What are the ratio of the uh, sides of a triangle? These are the ratio. What is the base? Base is B2 P1 minus B2 P1. What is the perpendicular? B2 P1 plus B1 P2. And what is the hypotenuse? S2 H1 you will get. Okay, now here also second identity same is there, alpha minus beta. Sign is different and the rest of the thing, and sign is different. How sign you will write down? First, suppose if you write alpha plus beta, here is the plus sign, then in uh, second minus sign, then plus sign is there. And these are the alternate sign all these things. So this is the formula. If we know this identity using Vedic mathematics and for the apply the in trigonometry, so our trigonometry will be very easy. Yani if we apply this formula, and more than 100 formulas can be generated using this. Yes. So let us see the Baudhayan numbers of 75 degree. We have calculated already the Baudhayan number of 30 degree, right? 30 degree. Any 30 means root 3, 1, 2. Now if you write here angle 45 degree, Baudhayan numbers are 1, 1, root 2. Yes. Now it means 75 means if you add the angle 30 and 45, so you will get 75. And if we are adding the angle, if we are adding the angles, so what are the high numbers? So you know how to find base. We find the base if vertically multiply base and perpendicular. And root 3 into 1 minus 1 into 1. Yes, you will get the now base. Now how to find 1 plus root 3? If we do the crosswise multiplication of base and perpendicular, it means 1 into 1 and plus 1 root 3. And how to find the hypotenuse? To root 2 you multiply vertically. So now you can calculate all the values from here. You can calculate sine 75. You know how to calculate sine 75. Sine 75 means P by S. Cos 75 is also P by S from here, any root P minus 1 by 2 root 2. No need of cramming of sin A plus B formula, cos A plus B, tan A minus B, and writing all these values can be calculated from here, right? So I think you appreciate this formula. Now 75 degree you can calculate like this, and all these values can be done like. Now you can also calculate 15 degree also like this. So 15 degree, as you already you can subtract and you already know the formula. You can calculate also like this, right? And you can calculate 90 degree also. Yes, 90 degree, how 0, yani how you get cos 0, cos 90, sin 90, you can calculate all these values here also like that. Yani all the values can be calculated like this, right? So with similarly, you can calculate 180 degree Baudhayan numbers using the same formula, and using the 0 degree using the same identity, Baudhayan number, yani using the vertically and crosswise, yani it means ortho theorem. Yani you can calculate all the values using single formula, that is a vertically crosswise. These are the all the values can be calculated. Now sin 90 minus theta. 90 degree, we have calculated 0, 1, 1, and theta means cos theta, sin theta 1. Same formula will be applied here in sin 90 minus theta. We are getting the Baudhayan numbers of 90 minus theta, and you can calculate now every value. Sin 90 minus theta here, cos 90 minus theta here, tan 90 minus theta, same value can be calculated. Similarly, 90 plus theta can be calculated, same value, same sutra, we can calculate like this. And similarly, in 180 minus theta, 360 minus theta, all the values can be calculated using the same sutra, ortho theorem. Here is this cos theta and sin beta value, and same formula can be applied here using the same identity.
Hello.
Yes, yes, yes. So may I brief it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Right, right. And my PPT is visible or not?
You share your screen. Your screen is not shared.
No, sir.
No.
Yes, sir. You can share your screen.
Okay, okay. So we can generate, and we can calculate half of angles of this, and we can calculate sine 7.5,
Did you share your
sine
screen? Did you
2.5.
share your
Sir,
screen?
your screen.
Share
I
your
think it's
screen.
not.
We can see that.
Yes, sir. It's
Oh,
not visible actually.
okay. I think it's a close, है ना? Oh, yes, yes,
Yes, you
yes.
need to
I'm
share.
sharing it, है ना?
Yes, sir. So by using the window option. Hello.
His internet is not working. I think.
Yes, sir.
He joined again. Wait.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Professor Bhatia, share your screen, please.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I'm continuing this. Yes, yes. Oh, now it's visible.
No, your screen is
Yeah.
not. Yes, yes.
Yes,
Now you
yes.
can carry on.
Now, similarly, we can calculate all these. Now we can calculate also using the Baudhayan numbers of half of angles. Also, same process, and using it is also proof. It is the proof. Yes, no time to explain it. This is the proof, and we can explain how to find hypotenuse and other things like that. So now, using if we the formula of how to find this formula of how to find the prime numbers of half of angle. Yes. Now we add only base and hypotenuse. How to add and using the in theorem, it is proved. And only we
It happened for many other speakers also. The same issue.
No.
Only for him, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I also ran several sessions, but generally does not happen unless the
Yes.
speaker's internet is broken.
Yes, sir.
I think he will not be able to continue anymore.
He is there, I think.
No, he disconnected. Oh yes. Okay.
Sir, you can share once again. Are you there, Dr. Bhatia?
Professor Bhatia, can you hear us?
oh yes sir, yes
Who is
sir.
yeah? Who is our next
So
speaker? Next speaker is here, right? Next speaker.
And as speaker is absent actually.
Oh, absent. Okay, Professor Bhatia, you can carry on. Don't worry.
oh,
Our
thank you
next
very much.
speaker
Thank
is
you.
yeah,
Yes, thank
yes, yeah, yeah. So you can discuss details. Do not worry because
you.
next speaker is not there. Richa, you just keep the notes who are absent. You let me know. You let me know, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that I can keep the record. It is also in the record, guidebooks.
Yes, sir.
I think his internet is really bad. So this is the first time that happening this situation.
Yes, sir.
Yes, as I told you, I also organized but because one more session is going on in the daytime, fixed point
No.
theory. Yes.
Uh,
Yes, Professor
I think
Bhatia, you
that
can.
due to the some climate and we are disturbing here our
Okay.
some network problem, right? So as you are looking here, as we can
Okay,
see
share
that
your screen,
I
please. Share the screen.
yes, 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 yes. Yes. So, sir, I will share this for article to you, and I have written for, and we can also apply here. We will now we can
Now it's
also yes, yes, yes. We can use this identity in finding the height and distance, and now there is no need of the trigonometrical sine cosine, and we can calculate sine. We can calculate now. We can calculate height, distance, and all these things and basic things. We can use apply in also navigation also like that, and we can apply these all these values as you are looking here sine 60 degree Baudhayan number, 45 degree Baudhayan number. Now you can calculate 15 degree Baudhayan numbers. And now if you are looking at 30 degree Baudhayan numbers directly, how to calculate how to calculate directly 15 degree. And if you add base and hypotenuse, so you will get root 3 plus 2 and perpendicular to same. So can you say that in above formula is different, root 3 plus 1 and down is root 3 plus 2? Can you say that is different or same? And above you are looking root 3 plus 1, root 3 minus 1, 2, root 2, and down you are looking 15, root 3 plus 2, 1 and 4. This is the same because this is the in ratio if you apply here, and you can calculate equal. So now I can calculate here all the values and all the trigonometrical identities, and we can calculate using this formula all the trigonometric and identities we can prove using this same format. And we can calculate also as you are looking here, sine angle 2a we already done, and we can calculate if you add again 2a plus a, the Baudhayan numbers, we can calculate also cube minus 3xy square, and we can calculate using that same pattern. And all the values can be calculated by on a single minute. Yes. So I think if we apply this in our routine life, and if we apply this in all the values, and if we apply all these things, so I think it will be
Professor Bhatia, can you hear us? Not good.
So, sir, I'm sorry to say that this is again disconnected, and now the
Yes.
network
So you know
there's
one
some
thing.
problem.
So you have the slides, right? You can share. I think we will not be able to post your videos because your videos are talk videos are really disturbing,
Sir, I
right?
will
So you
share
can
to you. Right?
share the slides. Share the slides. So we'll post the slides.
Uh,
Okay.
I will share the also research paper on this, right? And I will share the other research paper also because I have done many using the AI. We are
No, the
applying in the.
slides. The slides. The slides. You just
Yes,
share the
I will share
slides.
also.
Yeah,
I will
because then
share
we
that.
can
Right,
post it.
right.
Yeah.
I will
Yes.
also apply. I will share you and I email you, Hana.
Yeah. Just share. Yeah. You email me the slides.
Right,
And
right, right.
other things also. We are having a special issue, right, Richa? She is the guest editor. She Dr. Tomar and Swapnil. Right,
Yes,
Richa? Can you hear me? Yes. So you
yes,
can submit papers there. Also, if you have research paper, and it will be
So,
published on the.
sir, I will share you to all these things, Hana. These slides,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Then I will share
Yes. Yes.
later the whole research paper regarding this. Okay. So, because here is the problem, something, and so I will share to everything, right?
Yeah. Next time,
So,
if you
thank you
really
very
like
much.
to give a next time if you really like to give a talk, just send me an email, okay? Because your talk is not complete. Maybe you can give some other talk. Yeah, some
Oh, right.
other
Thank you.
session. Yeah, okay.
Right.
And make sure
So I will
next
share
time your
this.
internet is really good. Maybe you have to go to your university, then give the talk from there.
Yes.
Okay.
Sure.
Yeah,
So
sure.
I will share you,
So
sir. Hana.
yeah, Richard, now say thanks for
then
giving the talk
thanks.
and everything.
Yes, sir. So thank you for the talk. Let me stop the recording.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you to all.
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Did you stop recording?